In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Flodesk. Authenticating your domain is an essential step to ensure your emails are delivered successfully and to maintain the trust of your subscribers. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Flodesk home. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL app.lodesk.com/emails. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Flodesk interface, a clean and user-friendly platform designed for all your email marketing needs. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this menu, locate the Domain Setup option and click on it. This is where you'll manage the domains you intend to authenticate. Once you're in the Domain Setup section, the next step is to type in the domain you wish to authenticate. Carefully enter your domain name in the designated field. It's important to ensure there are no typos or errors in this step because the authentication process relies on precise information. After you've entered your domain, you'll likely see instructions or prompts on how to add specific DNS records to your domain's DNS settings. This might involve logging into your domain registrar account, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and copying and pasting the records exactly as provided by Flodesk. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if the authentication doesn't happen instantly. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once your domain is authenticated, Flodesk will notify you within the platform. This confirmation indicates that your domain is now secure and ready for sending emails. And that's it. You have successfully authenticated your domain in Flodesk. By doing this, you're ensuring better deliverability rates for your emails and establishing credibility with your subscribers. If you encounter any issues or have any questions during this process, Flodesk's support resources are always available to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most of your email marketing with Flodesk.